back. So today's recipe is a fried chicken sandwich which I'll be making in a bun. Now this is an amazing recipe. I can assure you that you're going to love this. So if you like the recipe, do like, share the video. So let's start cooking. So I'll start this recipe by marinating my chicken, and I've got some chicken breast that I'm using here. You can even use chicken thigh, but I prefer chicken breast for this recipe.
So I'm using 3 small pieces of chicken breast which is boneless here, and I'm gonna marinate this chicken breast now. This is just a simple marinade with some salt. You can add salt as per your taste, some black pepper, about 1 teaspoon. And now to make it a little spicy and flavorful, I'll be adding in some sriracha sauce in this. Now you can even use some peri peri sauce or normal hot sauce to make it spicy. I prefer using sriracha. Just give it a good mix.
Guys, now after marinating our chicken, we need 2 types of coating. First one is the dry coating and second is the wet coating. For the wet coating, I'll be using in some drinking soda here, which is going to make all the difference because this will make our chicken much more crispier.
So I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour here, and I'm gonna season my flour. So first goes in some salt, about a teaspoon, some black pepper, some paprika, you can use red chili powder, some garlic powder and some onion powder, 1 teaspoon each. Just give it a good mix. So our dry coating is ready. Now for the wet coating, again I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, to which I'll be adding in some salt, some paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and now I'm adding some eggs. About 2 eggs are enough, 2 whole eggs. And now goes in my drinking soda here, and my soda is on room temperature. About 250 to 300 ml is enough. We need a nice and thick coating here. Just give it a good whisk. We don't want any lumps in it. We don't want to over whisk it. Just ensure all the ingredients are nicely combined. And now just look at the consistency. This is perfect thickness. Not too thick, not too thin.
So now my dry and wet coating is ready. It's time to coat my chicken and fry it now.
First my chicken goes in the seasoned flour. Just lightly coat it. Just dust the excess flour, and this goes in the wet mixture. And this again should be well coated in the wet mixture too. And now again remove the excess wet mixture, and it goes in the dry mixture again. And this time we need to coat it very well in the dry mixture. This should be completely coated. Just press it nicely. And look at this. This is perfectly coated. And I'll repeat this with the other pieces of my chicken. So this coating is the most important one because this is what is going to get the crust on the chicken. Just coat it well. And this is also done.
So guys, now my chicken is nicely coated, and now I'm going to make a quick sauce for my sandwich which I'll be applying on my buns.
For the sauce, first goes in some mayonnaise, about 3 tablespoons. To this goes in 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, some sriracha sauce again, about a tablespoon, a touch of salt, some paprika or red chili powder, and just give it a good mix, and our simple sauce is ready. Now you can even add some tomato ketchup or lemon juice to this sauce, but for me this is perfect.
Now my sauce is also ready. It's time to fry our chicken on a medium heat till it is golden and crisp, and rest you know it.
So the oil should be on medium heat. In goes our chicken. So the heat of the oil is very important because we need to cook our chicken. In the same time, we need our chicken to be nice and crisp. Just keep on flipping it and you can already see the crispy crust coming on the chicken. We just want a nice brown color on our chicken and it should be nice and crispy. Just look at this, guys. This is perfectly fried, nice and crispy. And now I'll take it out on a plate. Just look at this. This looks perfect to me. Now after frying the chicken, we'll just toast our buns. We don't want our buns to be soggy. Just melt some butter in a pan. Just toast it for 2 minutes. We just want a light brown color on our buns. So this looks perfect.
So guys, now my chicken is fried, buns are toasted and my sauce is also ready. It's time to assemble our
I'll
sandwiches.
start by applying my sauce on the buns, on both top and bottom. Just spread it evenly. And now I have some gherkins here. These are finely sliced gherkins. I'm adding gherkins. You can even add any other vegetables or pickle. But gherkins helps in giving a nice tanginess to our sandwiches. And now, time to add in our chicken. So one piece is enough for one sandwich. And just look at this, guys. I like to add some extra sauce. It's perfectly your choice. And now just cover it. And just look at this. Just give it a gentle press. And now I can't wait to try this.
So guys, this was my crispy fried chicken sandwich recipe. Do like and share the video if you like the recipe and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye and take care.